Hello my friend, it's Gavin Stevenson here, calling all the way from Morocco, Marrakesh. In this video I'm going to teach you how to hack more money in your life. So one thing that we need to realize about money is it's the same energy as anything else. You know, $1 is the same as $1 million. It's the same energy, and we can attract what energies we want into our lives. And we need to realize that, you know, money is a tool, and it's not this sort of supreme thing that we put above ourselves. That's what I see a lot of people do. You know, money's above them, sort of like it's out of their reach. But the reality is, when you can realize that money is the same as manifesting a cup or a toy or, you know, a lover or a friend or, you know, whatever you want in your life, we can realize that we can hack more of it in our lives. One of the other things that I've learned in my life is that if you want to make more money, if you want to hack more money into your life, you need to gain specialized knowledge in a specific area. For example, I've got specialized knowledge in the area of internet marketing, making money online, closing high ticket sales. So I'm able to actually go and make money from that, but at the same time I'm able to teach others how to do the same too. So I'm able to charge for getting coaching and teaching others how to make money online and close high ticket sales and build their funnels and stuff of that nature. So you see, it just took me time to study the information, implement it myself, and then I was able to give it on to others. Okay, another way to hack more money into your life is to realize that you are great just the way you are, and being grateful for the money that you have in your life already. Okay, and realizing that when you see a penny on the floor, you want to pick it up right away. Why would I pick up a penny, Gavin? Guess what? I pick up pennies off the floor, believe it or not. The reason I do this is because I understand when I set an intention for, you know, a specific amount of money and I see a penny on the floor, that's the universe showing me that, you know, here's the money, I'm showing you the money, it's manifested, and if I don't pick it up, I'm telling the universe that I don't want the money. So I pick it up, so I'm one penny closer to reaching my goals. And that's something that you need to realize. And this actually happened to me a few weeks ago. I picked up a few pennies off the floor, and the week later, I actually found £1.20 on the floor. And I actually started manifesting more money online. And it's just amazing what happens when we realize that as soon as you see money, pick it up right away. Don't even think about it twice. You know, we ask for money more money in our lives, and we don't even want to pick up pennies. It sounds silly and stupid, but the reality is you're telling the universe that you don't want the money if you see it and you don't pick it up. Okay, so those are my simple money hacks. Hope you enjoyed this video as much as I enjoyed making it for you, calling all the way from Morocco, Marrakesh. Hope you enjoyed this video. Be sure to like, comment and subscribe, and I'll speak to you soon. Peace. I've been able to make a multiple six-figure income online. In fact, this year alone, I've been having, you know, 5-figure days, and been able to actually transform a lot of people's lives using the power of the internet. I have students that make multiple six-figure incomes, and it's just so amazing and rewarding to have this sort of lifestyle.